So, are you here for front of the court show cause? What's your name? Say it again. Nathaniel what?
Barlow.
Spell your last name? You got to speak up for me.
Barlow.
Mr. Vasquez, I have a Nathaniel Parlow, Parlow here for a friend of the court show cause.
He's in with the judge also, Your Honor.
Why don't you go next door? All right, thank you. Anybody else here from the court show cause? All right, in the back on the left, what's your name?
Tim Holtz.
Okay. All right, and gentleman in the blue shirt?
Christopher Micon.
Yep, all right. And backpack? All right, thank you. All right. Mr. Fry, who are you here on behalf of?
Christopher Micon, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. So, Mr. Micon, if you'd like to come up, is Mr. Sala on the other side, Mr. Fry?
He is, but this was filed by friend of the court, so I'm not sure if he'll be here or not.
He is.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Sala just zoomed in, and as well as his client. So, would you just stand at the podium, sir? All right. So this is in the matter of your Christopher Michael Micon versus Audra Victoria Micon, file number 23-51322DM. I have Brian Fry appearing on behalf of Mr. Micon. This is a friend of the court show cause, and attorney Stanley Sala has appeared as well with his client, Audra Micon. So, Mr. Micon, we are here on a friend of the court show cause that states that you have a monthly charge of $1,352 in child support, and as of today's date, you have an arrearage of $13,558.50. Let's see. So, sir, this is a first show cause, and failure to pay child support is a crime. And the maximum penalty if you're found guilty or plead guilty to it could be up to 45 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Mr. Fry, how did you wish to proceed today on this?
Yes, Your Honor. My understanding is that I don't really know what this is. It shouldn't be child support. My client has the kids 100% of the time. It might be spousal support. We did have a friend of the court hearing, but we never received an order following it. So I'm not sure if one ever got entered and we just didn't get it, or we're still waiting on it. But as far as we're aware, there hasn't been a spousal support order entered yet. So, I mean, this is quite the surprise to my client. I'm not sure what's going on with this one.
Mr. Anderson, is this supposed to be spousal support?
I can answer that question. He's muted, actually.
Yep.
I
Yeah,
know.
it is. Okay, go ahead.
So, okay, so it's supposed to be spousal support. Then, Mr. Sala, do you have an order?
We do. We actually have an order that was issued back to the date of filing. And there was an intake, there was a recommendation, it was objected to, it was sent back to the friend of the court. We had a hearing on February 10th in front of referee Grace Garno, and she indicated that the original order remains in effect. So as of the date of filing, he's paid no spousal support. The order is in effect. I've been in contact with the friend of the court for about a year, trying to find out why it's not being garnished from his wages. The friend of the court has, Shawnee has tried several times to figure out why this is not being garnished. It's $13,052 as of 8/1 of 2024. My calculations are that's about $24,336 from the date of filing. So it's a little more than what Mr. Anderson has. I have both orders here. The court has them in the file. Mr. Anderson, I'm sure, is familiar with both of those orders. That's why he show caused them. So we're trying to figure out basically why his employer, who his employer is, and why they're not garnishing for the spousal support. The order is in effect. They sent out withholding orders, and we believe his employer is either ignoring it or they're sending it to the wrong employer. But in any event, that's where I'm at, and I'm sure Mr. Anderson can substantiate some or all of what I've said.
Thank you, Mr. Sella. So, Mr. Fry, do you have anything to add?
I mean, if it sounds like there is some type of order, we never got that. We would have objected if we would have gotten that referee recommendation, it sounds like. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I mean, happens time to time, I guess, where for some reason the front of the court it gets lost in the mail or they don't send it. I don't know. But my client's worked at the same place since this case has started. So if there was an order, it's unclear why there wouldn't be garnishment going on.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Mr. Fry and Mr. Solomon set this over to July 14. Mr. Fry, obviously you need to advise your client that these payments need to be made automatic by himself if they're not being withheld, but he should pay directly to MISDU. And that'll give you an opportunity, Mr. Fry, to get a hold of the order and look through this with your client. I'll enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf, and we'll see you back on July 14 at 8 a.m.
I would only ask, Your Honor, that he confirm where he's working for Mr. Anderson. So we know where to send the garnishment. Make sure we're sending it to the right spot, because obviously we may have to show cause his employer.
Mr. Anderson, is there a garnishment?
There is, but yeah, I would like to just confirm where the employer
Where
is.
do you work?
I am employed with Cabinet Works Group,
Cabinet Works Group.
and the address is 20,000 Victor Parkway.
What city?
Livonia.
What city?
Livonia.
20,000 Victor Parkway, Livonia, Michigan. All right, so Mr. Anderson will look into that,
Thank you.
and we'll see you back on July 14th. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, you're all set. All right, I just admitted somebody on an iPhone. Could I ask your name, please? Okay. In the matter of Dorinda Williams versus Timothy Williams, that matter has been adjourned to July 14 at 8 a.m. That's file number 1990-12245DM. In the matter of Rachel Donald versus Joshua Donald, file number 2013-39592DM, that's been adjourned to October 16. In the matter of Kendra Six versus Kent Schroeder, file number 2018-45507. Hi, what is your name, please?
My name is Joshua Donald.
Okay, Mr. Donald, your hearing's been adjourned to October 16th, so you must be making payments, so thank you.
Can I ask you a question real fast, ma'am?
Sure.
Is there any way I could get my license reinstated?
Does anybody know if this is in the matter of Rachel Donald versus Joshua Donald. I don't know let me see, who's your caseworker? Looks like it's Kelly Cam, but can anyone, I don't know that, anybody know if we suspended his license?
She would have to look into that, Your Honor. There's a couple of steps that would have to happen before that can take place, but he can contact her and then she can look into it.
So, Mr. Donald, your caseworker is not on today. She's, they rotate who's present. So,
Okay.
Mr. Donald, I would say call your caseworker and talk to her about it.
Okay, thank you.
You're making payments, you're doing what you're supposed to do, so, that bodes well for you. Thank you.
What's the date again?
October 16 at 8 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right, I don't know if I said it, but Kendra 6 versus Kent Schroeder, file number 2018-45507 DC has been adjourned to July 14. Veronica Hemsoth versus David Hemsoth, file number 22-49758 DM has been dismissed. And let's go back. All right, so Mr. Holtz, you want to come on up? All right, this is in the matter of Sarah Holtz versus Timothy Holtz on number 2008-33341 DM. Mr. Holtz, we are here today on a continued show cause. I don't know, did we appoint counsel for you before? I don't think so. So Mr. Holtz, you have an order of $778 a month. You have an arrearage today of $4,689.50. You did postpone and pay $2,500 on May 28th, which is the only payment ever made on this case. We have still not, does anybody know if we did receive Mr. Bender did verify he had overnighted it 5 days ago and we never received it yet. Do we know if we received that check yet?
Not, Your Honor.
All right, so your counsel, Mr. Bender, did verify that he had overnighted a check to my staff, and that was about a week ago. We haven't yet received it. I'm going to set this over. Miss Adams, when's my next Monday? July 14? Okay, I'm gonna set this over to July 14 at 8 AM to verify making that we received it, and then you are self-employed, so you need to make your payment in person. So if it's $778, you need to divide that up and make weekly payments or once monthly one, all right? So we'll see you back on July 14th to verify that payment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, he had 2 cases.
Oh, wait, Mr. Holtz, sorry. Forgot you have a second case. All right, and then in the matter of Whitney Holtz versus Timothy Holtz, this is arrearages only. The balance is $6,903.67. Obviously, I pay out when possible to an actively charging case. So understand, I don't know if any money from that is going to go to this one once it pays off that one, but no, you need to make payments on this one too.
There was just over 3,000 that was applied to each one. There's a lot, or right around 3,000. Is what was supposed to be in those checks. They're supposed to be 2 of them.
Okay, all right. Well, we'll adjourn both of them to July 14th.
Okay.
Thank you. But recognize you still got to make payment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So Olivia Honeywell, why don't you come on up? Yep, just stand right at that podium. Thank you. So this is in the matter of Lance Frederick Honeywell versus Olivia Jean Honeywell, file number 2019-46647 DM. So Ms. Honeywell, we are here today on a friend of the court show cause. It states here that you're supposed to pay $301 a month towards child support. As of today's date, your arrearage is $12,223. We were back here on May 8th of 25 and you were ordered to pay $200 and obtain full-time employment. Our notes show you have not paid the $200. So ma'am, did you pay the $200?
Did not. I brought some cash with me today.
How much do you have?
I have 50.
Okay.
But I was able to obtain 2 jobs.
Oh, you got a job?
I got 2.
2.
I just haven't, I've fallen between the pay period, so, this was left over from my first check, so I will pay that. But if I could have another 2 weeks or so, and then I'll be able to,
Okay, where are you employed?
in Tim's garage, it's over in Jonesville.
Jim's Garage? It's a restaurant?
No, it's a garage.
Okay, That's in Jonesville.
Yeah,
And where else?
tree company, kind of doing books and stuff with A&W trees.
Okay,
They're like Clark Lake area.
yeah, okay. So, all right, so, I'm gonna ask you to go downstairs today and pay that $50. I'm gonna set this out to, are you full-time by paycheck at both of those?
I'm working on that part.
So right now it's under the table?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm vigilantly working on that though.
Okay, all right, so I'm going to send you down to front of the court to pay that, and then I also want you to update your address down at front of the court. So we have a valid address. I'll give you a piece of paper to do that. Your address is suppressed, so I'm not gonna ask you on the record, so that's why it's gonna be down at front of the court. And then pay that $50, and then I need you to start making payments. Your monthly charge is 301. Understand the Attorney General can charge you with the 4-year felony.
Yeah.
So you want to start taking care of this, okay?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going, do we have an August date, Miss Adams, for front of the court?
August 4?
All right, I'm gonna set this out for August 4 at 8 AM. And so, yep, go on downstairs, change your address, and
I have two though, and my answers are gonna be the same for the second one too, so.
say it
I
again.
have another case with you.
Oh, let me look. There's Lance.
Your Honor, it's a case with Judge Sala. You just heard it that day because Sala was out of the office.
Is her schedule in front of Judge Sala today?
No, it was last week. She missed it.
Okay,
She needs to touch
okay.
base with Judge Sala's office.
Okay. On my paperwork, I said both of you, but I will recheck that.
okay, her paperwork, Mr. Vasquez says Judge Anslone, I think.
It says Sala on it, but then the room is the same. So I don't know if it's because I had you for both last time too.
Might have, okay. So, Mr. Vasquez, was a warrant issued last week?
Yes, it was, Your Honor.
Can I see that paperwork done?
Your Honor, the paperwork would populate to Sala's courtroom.
Yeah. I mean, if it was an honest mistake. I wasn't trying to miss it by any means. I just,
But the date should have been on there as well.
they both had the date of today.
Okay, so Mr. Vasquez, it does, say today's date.
The notice that was sent out had updated date because Sala only has show causes on the first Wednesday of the month.
Okay,
I'm sorry. How would I have gotten that though? Would that have been through the mail?
okay, so
It was
Mr.
sent to the
Vasquez,
address that you reported last time on the record, and it was sent back as a bad address.
well, she does have 2 notices for today. One on each file. So, Miss Adams, could I get a copy of both of these? So Ms. Honeywell, I don't know how much your show cause is in front of Judge Sala, but you understand you need to make payments on both.
Yeah.
Can we reassign it now? Yes. Okay, so, Mr. Vasquez, Ms. McGreen, stepped in. We have a new family court plan, so we're gonna reassign both of her show causes to me. So I am going to quash the bench warrant on the other one. So Ms. Honeywell, understand that, you know, if we don't have a valid address for you and a notice goes out and you don't appear, or it gets adjourned and you don't appear, a warrant gets issued, all right?
When I got picked up and when I saw you, I gave them my address, so I will go and double check though.
I think you did. I remember giving the
I just
address
got
on
the
the
new
record.
apartment that week, so.
Okay, so, I'm gonna quash that bench warrant and, set both of these over to August 4. And then I want to see payments between now and then on both of these. And hopefully you're able to get an appointment where we can do income withholding, all right?
Absolutely. Thank you.
You're welcome. So August 14th or August 4 at 8 a.m., go down to front of the court, make the payment
Will do.
and change your address.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Wait for your paperwork to come back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Have a seat right behind you and we'll get your copies to you. Sorry. All right. I think I have, thanks.
Thank you.
All right. I have somebody, Patrick's iPhone. Sir, what's your name?
Patrick Stoddard.
Are you here for a friend of the court case?
Yes.
Mr. Vasquez or Mr. Anderson? Anybody have any information on him?
What was his
He's
name?
not on my, Patrick Stoddard. I don't have him on my docket.
I was supposed to have a show cause thing with my kids' mother today.
Okay, hold on one second. We're gonna find out where it is. Anybody?
Looking you up, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I don't show anything in notes. You'd have to speak with the caseworker. It's Kelly Cam, I believe.
Okay, so we don't show a one being adjourned or one being dismissed, anything?
I show no active show cause on this.
Because I have the paperwork in front of me right now saying that she was supposed to appear today at 8 o'clock in the court.
Oh, she was.
And I have papers, for me to do the Zoom. It says that I was being requested to join the virtual courtroom proceeding.
I understand. Yes.
I did show it was on the docket and I removed it because it wasn't on the friend of the court list that they gave me.
Is that the one that's blacked out? No. I don't know. All right, so evidently you were on the docket for today, but friend of the court doesn't have you on their schedule. So it was removed. Was this a show cause against you or against her?
Against her, because she hasn't paid child support over a year.
Okay, who's the case? What's her full name?
Melissa Ann Gabriel.
Spell her last name.
Gabriel.
Who is her caseworker? That would be.
Kelly Cam, Your Honor.
Okay. Oh, that'd be you?
No, it's under the father's last name, so it's S's. It'd be Kelly Cam.
Okay. Does it show she hasn't paid child support in a year?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like the
Wasn't
chain. It looks like the chain was started, but for some reason it was closed out. I don't know any details other than that. It's not
Okay,
active.
will you leave a note for her to reissue the show cause again?
Yes, I will.
All right, so Sir, we're going to, I don't know what happened, but we will make sure the show cause process gets started up again, all right?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Dwyer, if you could start your video and audio, please.
Okay, good morning, Judge.
Good morning, you want to take your hat off?
Yes, ma'am, I'm sorry.
It's
Or yes,
okay,
ma'am.
thank you. So this is in the matter of Rebecca Cooper versus Jeffrey Dwyer, file number 24-51369 Today is the date and time set for show cause on an arrearages only file. This is your third show cause. It shows that we have a balance of $9,842.05 as of today.
Yep,
We did have a payment of $200 back on April 28th. of 25. Have you made any payments since then?
I made a payment this morning.
How much was that?
I'm paid 105.
Okay, all right. And Mr. Dwyer, you were ordered to pay $25 a week towards your arrears. So you understand you have to make that bare minimum every month or we're gonna show cause you in.
I understand.
Okay, so all right, so you're like a month behind. When can you pay your other $100?
Within the next couple weeks, Your Honor. I'm trying to make the payment. I also have, life things going on as well here. You know what I mean? I'm trying to do the best I can between juggling, a family life here and trying to do the best I can for taking care of Zachary as well. So within the next couple weeks, I can try to make another payment as well.
So Mr. Dwyer, every month you have to pay $100.
I
Everybody
understand.
has life stuff, whether it's cancer, other kids, job loss, bronchitis,
She doesn't
whatever.
receive this money.
So Mr. Dwyer, I need you to pay $100 a month or I'll issue a warrant for you. So you paid April, you paid May. I need a June and July payment. So by the end of July, I need at least 200 paid. So I'm gonna set this out to August 4 at 8 a.m. for your next show cause. And we will see you back on that day. All right?
Okay, so June's paid. I need to make up May.
No, you paid April and you paid another 100. That's May. So I need June and July by the end of July. $100 a month.
Okay.
All right. And I know the
All
money
right.
doesn't go directly to her. It goes to the woman that supported that child when you weren't. So
It doesn't go to her I'm in bankruptcy status, ma'am. It doesn't go to her at all. It sits down there. It doesn't go to her. It doesn't go
it
to
does.
Zachary.
So
No,
Mr. Dwyer, you're the reason we're here, not us. Thank you. We'll see
No
you back
problem.
on August 4 at 8 a.m. Thank
It
you.
goes to a trustee.
Well, same thing. Thank you.
Yeah.
So I think, Ruger is the last one. So in the matter of Megan Ruger versus Anthony Ruger, file number 23-50368 DM. This is the date and time set for show cause. Anthony Ruger is neither present in the hallway, in my courtroom, or on Zoom. In this case, we have a monthly charge of $1,327. The arrearage as of today's date is $19,104.82. He has failed to appear. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest. I will set bond in the amount of $5,000 cash. All right, I believe that concludes our from the court show cause docket. Thank you both, gentlemen, and have a good day.